Circumference. What is the circumference of this circle? The radius is 5 meters. So there are two kinds of questions you can be asked here. You can be given the diameter, you can be given the radius. Here we're given the radius. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and use my formula. And that is circumference is 2 pi r. Okay? Or I could use circumference as pi times diameter. It's the same thing, right? Because diameter is twice the radius. Okay? So it's really the same formula. Now, in this case, I have the radius, so it's 2 times pi times the radius, which is 5, which is 10 times pi, right? Which is, now pi is 3.14, so that's going to be 31.415, and it goes on forever. But I'm going to round it after, I don't know, 4 or 5 decimal places. Now, with this program, it is checking your answer against its answer, and it is rounding to like 30 decimal places. So it allows you to, it's looking for your answer to be pretty accurate, but it's allowing a certain margin of error. So it's looking for a % difference between your answer and its answer. So don't just chop off your answers, round your answers to 4 or 5 decimal places, and everything will be fine. Okay, so then we take our answer and enter your answer. Make sure you're using the proper units. This is circumference. It's a length, so the units are whatever. Like if it's meters, it's meters. If it's centimeters here, then it's centimeters here. Okay. Okay, here we're being asked to find the circumference given the diameter, and the diameter here is 2.18 hectometers. So we're going to use our circumference formula, which is circumference is 2 pi r. Now we're given the diameter. Now, you don't want to have to divide this by 2 and then multiply it by 2. Just remember 2 times the radius is the diameter, right? So its circumference is pi times diameter. And so it's going to be pi times 2.18. And then we get our handy-dandy calculator. And so we just do pi times 2.18. And that gives us this big, huge number, which we then are going to just round off to about 4 or 5 decimal places. Okay, and there's our answer. Okay, so I'm going to round this to, let's say I'm going to take this 7, it's going to round that 6 into a 7. And then hectometers, and that's it. And that's how you do circumference. Have a good day.